All right, folks, listen, I'm finally on time with this. For you guys that don't know, we're gonna use our leftover Thanksgiving, food, and we finna make egg rolls. So let's get it. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is, I'm putting this out here right now, and I'm gonna make a post on my YouTube channel, let you guys know, you wanna pick yourself up some egg roll wrappers, right? That's these right here. This is the brand, and these are the ones that you want, right? So we finna get right into this. First thing we finna do is, oh, and don't forget the full ingredient list is on my website. That's Smokin and Grillin with AB.com, right? WITAB.com. The reason I'm laughing, because I'm talking about the recipe. You guys got the recipe in your refrigerator. And if you don't believe me, look down right here. There's my leftover Thanksgiving, meals right there. We finna wrap these up. Okay, so look, you got two ways you guys can find out how we get this up to temp, right? And by the way, we're looking for 350 degrees. So you can have yourself a meat thermometer. You know how these work. By the way, this is mine. Thank you for everybody that's been out getting these. These make great gifts. They inexpensive and they real practical, folks. Or you can get yourself a candy thermometer. These are inexpensive. Pick these up at Target, Walmart. And if you want to come to your door, try Amazon. You know what I mean? When I say inexpensive, that's what I mean, folks. So look, I'm just gonna set this right here so you guys can see it. It's in there. We're looking for 350. Okay, so look, this right here is gonna be more so for the way you guys like to eat an egg roll. So whatever you like to have, like on your fork when you were doing Thanksgiving, that's how you get down. Now, I have one right here, placed in front of me, right? I heated up a couple of these dishes. Listen, they can be cold because when you hit it in this 350 degree, oil right here, it's gonna warm it up anyway, right? So I chose to use water. You guys can use an egg, use the wash, to dampen down the edges to make it stick. So I'm gonna go ahead and just start making one right now, and I'm gonna keep up with my temperature, right? So it's up to you how you want to do this. So I like to just load mine up with just a little bit of meat. You know what I mean? So right here, obviously I'm doing ham. What else do I like to have with ham? I like to have, a little dressing, right? So we'll go in here and get some dressing, right? Now the key is here, you don't want to overstuff this, folks. That be the problem, when we overstuff it. Now, I got a little bit of gravy right here. I did heat this up, but I'm thinking now, like, why did I heat it up? You know what I mean? Because we just put just a little bit of gravy right here on the top. And I don't know if you guys are like me. Let me go in here and get another spoon, because you don't like this part right here. I like to put a little cranberry in mine too. You know what I mean? So that's kind of like how I like it. It'll be gravy on my dressing with a little cranberry, right? So notice what I'm gonna do here. I'm gonna work this towards the back just a little bit. Now I'm gonna fold this over because we don't wanna have no leakage, right? And then we wanna allow it to roll. So then I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna go ahead and just add some wetness here, because I'm gonna come over the top. Then I'm gonna kind of like tuck this back, right? Just the way you see. Then I take my finger and I run it across, just the edges like that. And you can go ahead and hit it in the middle too. Because look, as you have it and you start to roll it, look at like this. Everything where it was wet will help seal it. And then you'll come up with something just like this, folks. All right, so take it over the top, pull down, make it tuck. Try to keep it all in here on this side, right? Take your finger, apply a little water. Let's get it sticky. Take it, and then what we want to do is we want to get it to fold over, and you want to keep your finger on it just like this. We do the same thing over here on this side. You guys might be a better roller than me. We bring that over here like this. Right, now we take a little water here, right? And now we roll it the rest of the way. And that one right there, look at that. You can see the yams in the inside, all of that. All right, so this next one right here, just giving you guys ideas. You guys, like I said, there is no recipe for it. It's however you want, whatever you want to be inside of your egg roll. I'm gonna put a little shrimp in there with that one. You know what I mean? We do egg roll. You know what I mean? We do shrimp. We can do a little bit of this. Or, you got to do the yam, right? Just put a little yam in it. You know what I mean? And if you can roll it with all of that in there, just a hint of dressing, right? Now we do the same thing. Come up, go over the top, kind of like pull back on it, tuck it a little bit, like that, and then make a little half roll, right? And the reason I'm using my fingers, folks, because listen, the gloves, it just feel funny, like putting that water on there and getting this all, you know, to work out right. You know what I mean? So sometimes you got to get in there and work with your hands. You know what I mean? So we got that. We do the same thing on this side. We just seal it up. We don't want nothing to leak, all right? We get a little bit on the outside. We can push a little bit of this dressing back in, kind of like get it to tuck, like you see. Bring this over the top. And as you leave it there and it's wet, it kind of like becomes sticky and tacky. You see how that stayed up like that? Now we get in the process. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, it takes myself about 2 or 3 before I got them right? So now that I have it like that, now I just roll this forward, just like that. We won't get no leakage. We good to go, folks. All right, so you guys got the gist of it. It's really about just taking your leftovers and however you like them, you know, that's how you make them. You roll them up that way. You know what, they do have these several different sizes. This is something that I had. I should have went to the store and got myself, they got a bigger size. It almost look like we making a burrito, folks. So look, I'm gonna go ahead and drop this in right here like this. And we're gonna let those work. All right, so look, come on in here and take a look at this right here. When you peel these wrappers, look, they're super thin. Now, if you look over here, that's why these are so transparent, right? That's when you do them thin. This one right here, I did it double. Sometimes I do them triple or I do them double like this, because maybe they don't look the best, but I promise you put this in your lunchbox, you go to work, you pop these in the microwave, and then you got a meal right there, folks. So we're gonna show you, this is how to be if you do it. Now look, again, you can see that both of these are done, right? So I'm gonna take some, you know what? I think I'm gonna do some turkey, right? Just a couple pieces of turkey. You know what I mean? When you say turkey, I automatically think of yams. You know what I mean? So we'll just add a little yam to it. Okay, folks, look, so they done. I got my little napkin right here. I had this because I was about to wipe my mouth. Now, look, I'm gonna tell the truth, I did eat one of these. It ain't no different than eating what you do, but it's all wrapped up into one. Now, if you guys come in here and take a look at this, look, this is what it looked like when you do them in this double wrapper, right? And then they be like this, more translucent if you do them in a single, right? It's up to you how you do it. You want the crunch, but I'm gonna tell you the crunch is there though. I'm gonna just show you like that. And if you wanna know what that is, come on, quit playing. You know that's that gravy. So I'm gonna go ahead and just give this a little dunk like this. You know what I mean? Just to get a little gravy. I got it. I can hear some of you guys right there saying, AB, that's why you a bigger chef and all that. But I'm gonna say this, we only eat like this once or twice a year, you know what I mean? And then it's all gone. So with that being said, cheers, y'all. You come on in. Hey, this ain't gonna do nothing but take you back to when your family is out, your friends, you know what I mean? It's a whole bunch of love. Listen, when you smell the smells from Thanksgiving and even Christmas, you know, it brings back, you know, that memory, you know what I mean? And just the smile that makes your soul feel warm. Now, let me know down in the comment section below, what's your combination? Now, with that being said, listen, I got a couple of these to eat, but you know, meanwhile, I got to make a lot more of these. You know, everybody's standing around, they want some, take something home tonight, so I'm gonna go ahead and, you know, oblige them. So if you're new to my channel, let me just take the time to say, hey, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, smash that subscribe button, and tell everybody out there, there's a channel out here that's simplifying these recipes and taking the mystery out of cooking. I would like to take another bite and walk off and say peace, but I got to dig in and make about 25 more of these. So guess what? I'm out.